Let's make healthy vegan coconut macaroons. These are made with just a few simple ingredients and they are so delicious. So they're all up there if you need to pause the screen. Now we've got all our ingredients here. We're going to throw them into a high-powered blender or into a food processor, and we're going to blend them all together and bake them. It's really simple, so let's get started. So I've got my Vitamix here. I'm going to dump in my shredded coconut. I'm going to dump in my gluten-free flour. I'm going to dump in my solid coconut oil. I'm going to throw in my maple syrup and just put that all into the blender. And then I'm just going to put a little pinch of salt. That's optional. And then I've got my little vacuum here cleaning up the shredded coconut. And then I'm just going to process that up. Now, sometimes if you're using not a food processor but a blender, you might have to push it down a few times. We want to preheat the oven to 350 and start scooping out our cookies and put them on a little parchment paper on a baking sheet. So you can make them into like whatever little cookie shape that you want there, and this makes about 12 cookies total. So these are already ready. It's so fast. You just bake them for 12 to 16 minutes, pull them out when they're crispy, golden brown around the edges, and then I have 4 tablespoons of melted vegan chocolate, which I'm just gonna sprinkle on top. But if you want, you can even dip the bottom or the tops of your cookies if you want them to be extra chocolatey. So it's whatever you want for decorating these cookies. And then these are so healthy, delicious, and ready to eat. They did not last long in our house. They are so good. And if you like this video and you want to see more like this one, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button.